Assalamualaikum, I am Sharmi A. Gimba. This is my video oral presentation. The question is, why do we social workers need to establish rapport through communication integration prior to the conduct of social investigation? Because when people trust you, they are more likely to share accurate information, which is vital for a fair investigation. You also avoid making wrong assumptions based on stereotypes. Plus, when the community trusts you, they are more likely to cooperate and accept any help you offer. Imagine you're a social worker in Cotabato City. You are about to investigate a situation in a local community. If you just walk in, ask questions, and ni isa wala kang kakilala doon sa community na yon, people will likely be suspicious and matatakot sila na kausapin ka. And ang pinakamalala pa dito is, hindi mo makukuha yung intentions mo, which is kung ano yung pakay mo doon sa isang community. By becoming part of the community first, you ensure your investigation is respectful, accurate, and ultimately more helpful. You're not just an outsider, you're someone they know and trust. That's why building rapport through community integration is crucial. It's like making friends before asking for favors. You spend time in the community, learn their culture, and show genuine interest in their lives. This builds trust. So, lagi natin tandaan, in our profession, trust is very important in our profession.